Alright, so slight update. So we've broken one of our base plates. I tried to go as minimalist as I could with how much plastic I was printing with, but that wasn't tough enough, so I beefed it up a little bit. And I also added this washer here. So just because of the way this was closing, I designed this after I designed this, so this had this tapered edge up here, this chamfered edge, and it would cause this piece to lift up and not fully lock the truck in as well as it could. So I added this washer just between the base plate and our mounting base plate, and that seems to work pretty good. But yeah, so this idea, which I think I mentioned, is kind of based on, you know, these camera tripod quick releases. But we decided another place that we should start looking at is actually ski bindings, old ski bindings, new ski bindings, just that sort of thing, because those are systems that are actually designed to take, you know, the same sort of stresses that we'd be applying here. So I haven't really started looking into that yet, but that is, I think, the next step to see if there's anything inspirational there. So Longboard Technology, over and out. There you go.